I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by changing Excel's interface to a dark theme so the whole app reads as black. Go to File, Account, and pick dark gray or black under Office Theme. Once done, make sure to close and reopen Excel if the ribbon or backstage view still shows light colors. This forces the theme to refresh. You do this because theme changes affect menus and panes, providing a consistent dark environment before you alter sheet-specific visuals. Next, you change the worksheet canvas itself to appear black. Select all cells, Ctrl+A, and apply Fill Color, black from the Home tab. This paints every cell. Once done, make sure to set grid line color to a contrasting light color via File Options Advanced Display Options for this worksheet so lines remain visible. If you prefer a true background, add a black image in Page Layout Background, but note that images do not change cell fill color or printouts the same way. To finish, update fonts and styles so data is readable on black. Select cells and set font color to white or light gray, and update cell styles for consistency. Once done, make sure to check Print Preview. Black fills may use ink. Switch to Page Layout settings or remove fills for printed copies. If performance slows with massive fills, undo the full cell fill and rely on the dark Office theme plus changed grid line color. This preserves appearance without large formatting overhead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.